Hi everyone, it's Jaclyn with Color Me Perfect Cosmetics and Analysis. I'm really excited today to show you a look for the fall. I'm sure you're out shopping and you're seeing all these beautiful fall palettes put together, new eyeshadows, and you're wanting to purchase them, but you're kind of worried like, I don't even know how to use this. So I'm going to be demonstrating a quick fall look. I have our Color Me Perfect palette. This is with all of our eyeshadows that we carry. And you're going to notice I'm going to use like richer shades. So they're going to be like the typical fall colors. That's when you're, planning a look for the fall. The difference is you want to richen the look up. And that's the idea of having that beautiful, beautiful, deep and not necessarily sultry, but has more depth and more interest. So when you're gonna use like shimmery colors, especially those of you that have little fine lines around your eyes, I really recommend you use them on the lid. And so I'm gonna demonstrate, it's called Chocolate Velvet. So I'm gonna use this pointed dome brush and I'm gonna apply it on my lid. So you can see it's a beautiful, beautiful like red brown shimmer, and it's just like one of my favorite colors. Now, see, I just applied some right on my lid, and just so you know, before I started, I dusted our mint corrector underneath my eyes. So just in case like anything fell as I was getting ready. You also can use our HD setting powder. I like both, so I sometimes just use different ones. I did a peel around my eyes yesterday, so my eyelids are a little bit more red. Okay, now I also primed my eyes with the Sensational Eyes eyelid primer. This is really good for helping like richer shadows stick so they don't fall into your eyes and you look hookerish. We don't want that. Okay, so now that I've applied the shimmer part, I'm going to go ahead and use Clove. So Clove looks like this. And this is kind of like a medium brown with a kind of red undertone. And now this has no shimmer in it at all. So I'm gonna put this in my indentation right here in my lid, that concave part of your eye. And I'm just using that windshield wiper kind of movement. Okay. Now it's important that when you're using a contour color, you don't want shimmer because that's just not going to give you any depth and achieve, and also it makes the eyes look more creepy. So now I'm going to use my light color. So I'm going to choose, let's see, I think I'm going to choose Melon. Melon is one of our newer shades, and it's got kind of like a little bit of a peachy undertone. So I'm gonna put Melon on my brow bone. Now I'm also gonna put it right here on the corner of my eye. Okay. You always want your lightest color on your brow bone because it lifts the eye. And of course, and then again, you don't want shadow passing, dark shadow passing from the corner of your nose to the corner of your eye, nothing going past. So it kind of lifts your eye up. Okay. So then the next thing is I want to use a liner. Now you can use a lot of colored fall liners. I have gobs of them. So I think what we're going to do is use, let's see, maybe Majesty. And this is kind of like a plummy shade. Okay. And I'm just kind of tugging at my eye here. Now I'm also going to use this just right along my lower lash line, but more focused on the outer corners. Again, I want that upswept look. Okay, and to complete it, I'm going to dust a little bit of the light glowiness. I'm going to use Goldspun and put that right at my tear duct. That kind of brightens that inner corner because a lot of people are really dark there. All right, and then last but not least, I'm going to dust some mascara on. Okay, here it is. Now, if you decide that you want to like amp it up a little bit, like say this is my day look, and if I'm going to go say out in the evening, I can just go through and just add a little bit more clove. See that depth that I'm going to get out of that color. You can just richen the shade and layer those beautiful mineral shadow pigments. So it's fairly easy to do. So now I'm ready for my day. So I hope this was helpful and that you'll have fun with fall eyes. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.